Good morning, welcome to the Finance for Hippies Finance and Budgeting Workshop hosted by yours truly, Ndagi and
Teeth Sweat, the Tooth God.
for sure. Artists usually do not work in this world a lot, which is the world of numbers.
The producers are in Soweto visual arts, but the market is in Low. So
I learned so much about finance as an artist.
I just want to say a lot was taken from this, and just the way you move as an artist and how you should take yourself seriously as well.
And what I took away from it was how to monetize my produce a bit better, you know.
I think what I've learned about the proposal writing and also crowdfunding for me was very important.
Sustainability part, of an artist,
I wanted to say thank you to all the attendees, thank you to the National Arts Council, thank you to Ndaki, and most importantly, thanks to myself and Teeth Sweat for making this all possible in the country.
You have to do a lot of striking the iron, forging yourself into what is required. No one is born as hot as I am.